Hi Leo, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It's a mid month reading for the month of March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you, Leo. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Wow. Okay. The card at the bottom of the deck, Leo, is the Tower card. I'm going to keep it right here. And wow, you've got the Strength card as well. I'm going to keep this. Okay, Leo. A lot of mixed emotions. You could be dealing with the energies of a person who put you through immense pain when it came to a relationship. Either this relationship didn't work out, or you guys had to part ways because things weren't panning out to be the way you'd expected them to be. You could be dealing with another Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius, even a Scorpio person. But I feel, Leo, after a very long time of suffering and anxiety and doubting yourself, losing sleep, dealing with ill health because of emotional issues, you're finally manifesting your true desires. You're finally gathering the strength to follow your dreams, streamline your ambitions. I see there's marriage on the cards. There could be certain battles happening in marriage as well, just judging by the placement. But I also feel for some of you that you guys are battling a lot of emotions within you regarding a relationship or regarding a marriage with somebody. After a really long battle between you and certain feelings that you were feeling, that you were going through, certain incidents, perhaps certain people who tried to pull you down, you finally gather the strength to carry on, move on, and live your dreams, Leo. Leo, I feel you are concentrating on your work. But yes, there are times when you go into isolation thinking about people and things that did not work out, people who let you down, situations that put you through pain. But there is somebody in your life whom you think about constantly. It could be a Virgo person or somebody who has isolated themselves from you because they have work commitments or they are concentrating on their career and sidelining you. Perhaps this is the same person who you had to part ways with in the recent past. Leo, there's no point crying over spilt milk, really. Wow. You've got love. You've got the lion symbol over here. You're moving on, Leo. You're moving on to better times, better feelings, stability of the mind, body, and soul. You're finally gaining the power to say no to things that don't serve you. You're just you're just waiting to get on with your life and live your dreams, Leo. Numbers 9, 6, 8, 10, 7, 3, 16 could be important. So, yes, keep an eye out for them. Now, let's see some extra messages for you, Leo. Be assertive. These are extra messages. They could be related to your tarot or not. So, take them as they resonate with you, wherever they fit in your life. And if they don't, if this reading isn't your story, you can switch it off right now. If you don't resonate with it, there's no point watching it. Say positive affirmations each morning to open the gates of manifestation. Wow. Leo. Amazing. Rock bottom, surrender to the alchemy of life. Leo, when you hit rock bottom, there is no other direction but upwards that you can move in, right? So if you feel you've hit rock bottom, now is the time to soar. You have the power to turn lead into gold when it comes to your own life, Leo. You are the alchemist of your own life. Never forget that. Renewal of peace, number 13, could be important. Wow. Heavy Virgo energies. A time to give rather than take. You are good enough. Nothing is yet set in stone. Balance, spirituality, and practicality. A win-win outcome is forecast. Libra and Virgo could be important. Even Pisces could be important for some of you. Obstacles are detours in the right direction. Wow, I love the artwork on this. Whenever you hit a roadblock, whenever you feel your path has been obstructed, just know you'll be guided in the right direction, Leo. I would like to dedicate this beautiful lapis lazuli download to you, Leo, so that you get the clarity that you truly deserve. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Leo. Thank you for watching. Bye.